You've been working in and getting to know Illustrator. Illustrator is a vector program. Now it's time for Illustrator's brother, Photoshop, a raster program. And you might say, hey, looks a lot like Illustrator. Yeah, this interface does. But Illustrator handles vectors, which is math, which is infinitely scalable. And think of it as a recipe. Let's say a recipe for a pizza. If you want to make a larger pizza, well, double the recipe, right? Photoshop is raster. Photoshop is the pizza. If you want to make a larger pizza, well, you better start out with enough pixels because raster images are made up of individual pixels. And pixels don't scale infinitely like raster does. And I think you already know that because you have seen images that when you zoom in on them, you start seeing these jaggy edges. This is anti-aliasing is what it's called, where Photoshop is trying to fake the dimensionality of this image by using anti-aliased pixels. So you have to be really aware of image size and resolution, and we're going to cover all that. But right now I just want to start out with preferences. Okay, Photoshop preferences. And just like Illustrator, you see there's a whole bunch of preferences. We're only going to change a few. I'm going to handle those in the next video, but for right now I want you to have Photoshop open and open this preference panel so you're ready to roll.